Here we start with the second part of the chapter 9. A British scientist writes a paper based on Dattada's discovery. He and the defense science advisor have a tete means friendly gossip or a very secretly talk over an impending calamity. A conference of international experts might yield a clue to the cosmic puzzle in the spacious dining hall of King's College, Cambridge. Now, what is the venue here? What is the scene here? It is the King's College of Cambridge. The butler whispered deferentially to the provost here and handed him an envelope on a silver tray. The butler here, he passes over an envelope to the officer there. The provost beckoned James and passed on the envelope saying, "It seems you are wanted urgently in your room." He passes a message to Sir James. As he made his way towards the beautiful building, James opened the envelope. अब जाते जाते क्या है, मिस्टर जेम्स जो है, he opens the envelope. It contained a brief note. वहाँ पे एक मैसेज है. But as you write message also, you can see that on the top the name is written Dr. Forsyth and on the bottom it is John Macpherson. Means this message is from Sir John Macpherson to Dr. Forsyth. What did this John Macpherson he convey the message? The bearer of this note has been instructed to bring you to my office in London tonight. Please come without delay. I am making arrangements for your overnight stay in London. Means he was expected to visit this place, London. I regret the inconvenience caused to you and request you to keep your visit secretly confidential. And your visit should be confidential. Means nobody knowing that you are coming to London. Believe me, it is absolutely essential and it is very urgent. Yours sincerely, John Macpherson. The signature carried the designation underneath Defense Science Advisor, Her Majestic Government. It was a good authorized, government authorized designation. A bowler-hatted man near the mantelpiece greeted him as James entered his sitting room. I am Johnson, sir, security officer at Whitehall. Means he has visited Whitehall, London. He showed his identity card and continued, I presume you know why I am here. I presume means I expect that you know why I am here. To the extent that is conveyed in this note, replied James. He knew that it would be useless to ask Johnson for further details. I won't take long. Means I won't just waste your time, won't take much of your time. Johnson, Ford, Cortina brought them to Whitehall in less than 90 minutes. It took them another 10 minutes to reach the chamber of Sir John Macpherson. Now they are moving towards Sir John Macpherson's office. Having introduced James to Sir John, the quiet but efficient Johnson slipped out. Dr. Forsyth, my apologize for this imposition on your time. Means it is formal say that I am sorry to disturb you. Sir John advanced with outstretched hand to avoid any further delay. I will come to the point right away. Sir John handed him a typescript. उन्होंने उसको कुछ पेपर दिखाया. Why? It is my paper of nature. How did you get the original manuscript? How you got this paper? It is very confidential, which I forward to Nature. Nature is the name of the magazine or the paper. James was surprised and somewhat uneasy. Now James was really, we can say he was struck. He was astonished. How this person got this. Sir John saw his anxiety and continued. Taylor, the editor of Nature, is a friend of mine. Means Sir John James was surprised. This James में जो भी manuscript था, whatever the news he has forwarded to Nature, it was again reached this Macpherson. Why? He tells that the editor of Nature is a friend of mine. कैसे पहुंचा कि जो Nature का editor है वो मेरे एक अच्छे friend है और इन्होंने इसको publish करने से पहले he passed over to me. He thought about to pass over to me. उन्हें लगा कि ये बहुत serious matter है, so he gave it to me. I had asked Nature to publish it without delay since it is very important. और सर जेम्स जो है अब वो हैरान हो रहे हैं कि मैंने तो Nature को ये इंस्ट्रक्ट किया था कि it is very important, just publish it emergency. I agree. that it is important, so important in fact that it must never be published. लेकिन सर मैकफर्सन बता रहे हैं, जॉन मैकफर्सन बताते हैं कि ये इतना अर्जेंट है कि इसको पब्लिश नहीं किया जाना चाहिए. What's the reason? I agree that if what you say is correct, Sir John, he lit his. I agree that it is important, so important in fact that it must never be published. That is, if what you say is correct, अगर आप जो कह रहे हैं वो सही है, then James would never have tolerated aspersions on the accuracy of his work. अब सर जेम्स जो है, he is disturbed कि मेरे काम के ऊपर इन्होंने कैसे क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाया या कैसे रोक लगाया, और the implied order that it must be suppressed. But he knew Sir John to be a respected scientist and was willing to hear him out. But he thought of listening to this person. Please don't misunderstand me, Dr. Forsyth. I met Taylor today at lunch in the club where he showed me your paper. I still retain enough interest in astronomy, you know, and he asked for my opinion before sending it to a professional referee. Professional editor को देने से पहले उन्होंने सोचा कि I should be knowing this. I immediately realized that your result has profound implications. Now, implication means some kind of doubts can be there. If it is correct, अगर ये ऐसा ही है जैसा आप सोच रहे हो, तो इससे जो consequences होने वाले हैं, they are very serious. Let me assure you, Sir John, that it is correct. I stake my reputation on it. मेरी reputation इस पे लगी हुई है. James could not contain himself anymore. Do you realize what will happen if Comet Datta collides with the Earth as you predict it will? जैसा आपने अनाउंस किया है, जैसा इन्होंने सोचा, आपने सोचा है, this Comet Datta will collide means struck, है ना? Means it will struck with the Earth. अगर Earth के साथ इसका टकराव होता है, तो इसके consequences कितने disastrous होने वाले हैं, वो आप सोचते हो? As you predict, जैसा कि आपने यहाँ पे predict किया है, the effects will be catastrophic, very disastrous. That's why I have taken extra care to verify my calculations. Barring rare circumstances, the collision is inevitable. Inevitable means unavoidable. It cannot be avoided. James was confident, but Sir John picked out one qualifying phrase. What are those rare circumstances? लेकिन ये rare circumstances क्या हैं? Well, it might collide with some asteroid before reaching here. अब उन्हीं के statement में से उन्होंने निकाला कि rare circumstances में कहीं ना कहीं कुछ chance है. अब वो पूछ रहे हैं कि वो rare circumstances कौन से हैं? Well, it might collide with some asteroid before reaching here. अब वो situation क्या है कि हो सकता है before colliding Earth, it may struck with some asteroid, and it might just split up when near sun, or it might evaporate. इसके दो टुकड़े भी हो सकते हैं, और it might evaporate also if it come closer to the sun. इसलिए ये chances हैं. But one can't count on these fortuitous, means very rare circumstances. We have to proceed on the assumptions that Comet Datta will collide with Earth. लेकिन जो रेयर सर्कमस्टांसेस हैं, एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं, वो बहुत ही रेयर हैं, होंगी या नहीं होंगी. मींस आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दैट इट विल हैपन, सो इट इज श्योरली गोइंग टू कोलाइड विद द अर्थ. Cometary collisions are expected to occur once in 10 million years, और ऐसा once in 10 million years होता है. But now we know that the next one will occur in a year, so we can expect that it is going to happen in the coming year. 10 months to be precise. आप एक्सपेक्ट करें 10 months लेके चलते हो आप. Thank you for the correction. Do you realize that we have only 10 months of survival left for the entire living species on the Earth? Means coming next 10 months में ये हो सकता है, और जो living beings हैं, जो हम survive कर रहे हैं Earth पे, हमारी जो life है, that is also of 10 months. Now, thank you for the correction. Do you realize that we have only 10 months of survival left for the entire living species on the Earth? Don't you think we have to do something to stop all this? A fleeting smile crossed James' face. Just like a civil servant, as if we are facing here a minor breakdown of law and order. आपको नहीं लगता है कि अगर हमने ये अनाउंस कर दिया, अगर हमने ये न्यूज पब्लिश कर दी, तो देयर कैन नॉट बी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर? और ही थॉट टू हिमसेल्फ अलाउड, ही सेड, हाउ मे आई आस्क, कैन वी प्रिवेंट दिस नेचुरल कैटास्ट्रॉफी? I don't know, but we have no option but to try. I think we need more than 2 brains to handle this situation. So now they want to think upon this situation. It is essential to call an urgent meeting of experts from all over the world. Now this is a bit of solution. What this Macpherson is suggesting. अब 2 दिमाग लगे हैं इसमें. Find Dr. James and Dr. Macpherson and 2 persons are working on it कि क्या solution हो सकता है. What we can do? It is essential to call an urgent meeting of experts from all over the world to think of a countermeasure and of course in total secrecy. Total secrecy में चुपचाप कुछ ऐसा solution हमें ढूंढना चाहिए. Which can be done. Think of the panic in the world if this dreadful news leaks out. अब वो बता रहे हैं कि अगर ये न्यूज लीक आउट हो गई तो आप सोच के देखो कि कितना गड़बड़ मच जाएगी. सर जॉन glanced at the manuscript in James' hand. My suppressing this paper will not hide the truth, Sir John. There are others who will arrive at the same conclusion sooner or later. अब डॉक्टर जेम्स कह रहे हैं कि अगर आप इस न्यूज को छुपाते भी हो तो मैं नहीं तो कोई और कैलकुलेट कर लेगा. No, don't suppress it, but tone it down. वो कह रहे हैं, सजेस्ट करते हैं कि हमने इस खबर को छुपाना नहीं है, लेकिन टोन इट डाउन. टोन इट डाउन मींस डिग्री. यू अंडरस्टैंड बेटा? किसी भी बात को हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ा के जब एडवर्ब एडजेक्टिव लगाते हैं तो इसका जो डिग्री होता है दैट इज हायर, है ना. तो पैटर्न में किया ना हमने. सो समवेयर टोन इट डाउन कि कहीं ना कहीं हम इसकी जो सर्कमस्टांसेस है, जिसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस जो होने वाले हैं, उसको हम कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा हल्का कर सकते हैं. Add many ifs and buts. Ifs and buts means ऐसा हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता. Ifs and buts to make your conclusion appear not so certain. आपने जो रिजल्ट्स हैं, आपने जो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस एक्सपेक्ट किए हैं, उसको थोड़ा सा टोन डाउन करो, उसमें कुछ इफ्स एंड बट्स ऐड करो ताकि लोग पैनिक, क्योंकि जब परहैप्स ऐड हो जाता है तो हमारा खुशी या डर जो होता है उसकी डिग्री जो होती है वो कम हो जाती है ना. सो एड मेनी इफ्स एंड बट्स. आपको ये सारी बातें क्लियर होनी चाहिए बेटा. कौन क्या सॉल्यूशन, क्या सजेशन दे रहा है, व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन, यू शुड बी क्लियर अबाउट इट. नाउ ही आस्क्ड हिम टू tone it down, add many ifs and buts to make your conclusion appear not so certain. Mark the paragraph. I will exert all my influence with friends in other countries to make them exercise a similar restraint for a while. मैं बाकी अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी, दूसरे कंट्रीज में भी मैं उनको ये सजेस्ट करूंगा कि किसी तरह इस न्यूज को थोड़ा सा, इसका जो लेवल है वो लाइट करके. फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग? अब डॉक्टर जेम्स कह रहे हैं कितनी देर तक हम इसको छुपाएंगे? Until this rash comet is safely out of the way. जब तक ये कॉमेट शांति से यहाँ से गुजर नहीं जाता धरती के तार के पास से. Let us spend some time now to plan the details of this international conference. चलो अब फिर तब तक हम लोग इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. Shall we call it in a week time? Here, a week to plan such an important secret conference of the international experts. James thought it an impossible task. अब बेटा इतने थोड़े से समय में इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस को ऑर्गेनाइज करना, हैंडल करना, और वो भी सीक्रेटली, इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट दे डिसाइडेड. बट सर जॉन डिसएग्रीड एंड बिगेन टू स्पेल आउट डिटेल्स. डॉक्टर जॉन थोड़ा सा वो डिसएग्री कर रहे थे, बट समवेयर दे विल जस्ट मैनेज इट. सो दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर 9. You read the chapter thoroughly and we will discuss the question later. Fine, mark all the answers in the book. Thank you.